Hi everybody, I'm going to do an unboxing of the new Blade 235 CP that I just recently ordered from Healy Direct online. Of course it says Horizon Hobby, so we're going to see what all's in this thing. This is the bind and fly option. It's not an RTF, ready to fly. I have my own Spektrum transmitter, so I didn't need one. That's why I went with the bind and fly option. Which comes with no batteries. So let's take a peek at it and see what it looks like in here. Ooh, very nice. Very nice. Let's see if we can manhandle this thing and get it out of this other box. A box in a box. And voila. There it is. The new Blade Revolution 235 CP stands for collective pitch. Very nice. This is the first helicopter I've actually purchased in a long time. I have several. I've actually just ordered a new 120 SR that I will do an unboxing on it as well. I am a novice helicopter pilot. When it comes to these things, I'm not very good. I don't do TikToks. I'm still in the fundamental stage of tail rotor towards me, nose towards me, pretty basic stuff. Like I said, I kind of go through periods where I play with these things and then I may put them up and not mess with them for 2 or 3 years. So I know I need to be more consistent and help with my skill set as well if I would get on it a little more often. So let's see what we got. Ooh, look at that. We got the box opened. Of course, it comes with a handy dandy 1/4 inch thick, slightly bent up instruction manual. Looks like in several different languages. Might be handy. Some kind of brand swag from Horizon Hobby. Now for the unveiling. Very nice. Very nice. I like the way it looks. I like the tail boom on it. Very solid. Look at this bad boy. Very, very nice. Everything seems to be buttoned up in there. Very nice. Very nice. You can see that's pretty much it. There's no batteries, there's no nothing. Come with, oh, it looks like some Velcro, maybe to Velcro down the batteries. Another zip tie. It's got a bind plug, so it tells me I'm gonna have to use it to bind my controller with it. Little wrench, little Allen wrench, and then a little Phillips screwdriver. So outside of that, that's pretty much it. One of the things I was really curious about with this was what kind of battery it comes with. You know, I haven't flown or missed with mine in a long time. And I have a very nice high-tech charger that'll charge 4 LiPos all the way up to, I believe, 6S at the same time. So at the time, it was very expensive. And when I went to order this, I didn't realize, when it told me the things that I would need to complete it, would be batteries and nice little rotor blade holder. These are plastic rotor blades. But it told me I would need the recommended batteries, and the batteries that was recommended on their website was the Spektrum G2. I didn't realize my standard charger will not charge these, which led to an additional purchase. I had to buy a Spektrum charger in order to charge it. Let's see how we feel here on this canopy. So I'm curious to see what kind of plug is in here. I'm sure it's the plug that is on this battery. Ooh, this sucker fits tight. Pop that canopy off. Nice looking little canopy. Like the design on it. And there's the plug. Interesting. Definitely not like my other helicopters. Man, this thing feels solid. I mean, it feels solid. They talk about the new servo alignment. I've seen some other people do excellent videos on these, where the servos are back in alignment with the swash plate. Very nice. Feels very, very strong. And then, of course, let's take a look at this battery. Be very careful opening that up. We don't want to stab a hole in the side of a LiPo battery. So the new Smart Technology G2. To me, it seemed a little pricey, to be honest with you. I've spent many years in marketing. You may or may not have heard the old cliche, you could sell the razor or you can sell the blades. And to me, this is a blade sale. You get people buying these type of batteries instead of the more common batteries. So hopefully, Spektrum, Blade, you don't have any stock outages with this thing, and people can access the battery and purchase them. If you can see that, it says requires Spektrum Smart Charger, which I don't have. I actually had to order one, which is supposed to be in today. Interesting. The smart battery is supposed to have a chip in it. And with telemetry, it'll connect with some of the high-end transmitters and tell you where your battery's at, what your battery's doing. I think I have an older transmitter that doesn't have that capability, so this smart battery actually does me zero good. In my awareness, it will do me no good. So, other than maybe with the new Spektrum charger that I also had to purchase. So we'll see. But that's pretty much it. Overall, I feel like it's a very solid helicopter. Another great one from Blade and Horizon Hobby. And when I take it out and fly it, I'll do another video with you're all interested and you can see me fly the thing. So with that, catch you next time.